Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan. Today we are going to solve one trigonometric equation. It is the problem of Olympiad. 1 over cos x plus 1 over sin x is equal to 2 root. I am starting this problem by taking LCM. So sin x plus cos x divided by sin x cos x is equal to 2 root 2. Now cross multiply the terms. So sin x plus cos x equal to 2 root 2 sin x cos x. Take all the terms to left side. Sin x plus cos x minus 2 root 2 sin x cos x equal to 0. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and give like impression too. Thank you. Now divide this whole equation by root 2. So let me divide each term by root 2. So this will be sin x times 1 over root 2 plus cos x times 1 over root 2 minus 2 sin x cos x. Root 2 will be cancelled out because we are dividing this whole equation by root 2. Now you can write this as sin x 1 over root 2 is cos 45. So cos pi over 4 plus cos x. This 1 over root 2 I am writing sin pi by 4. Again it is 1 over root 2 and 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x equal to 0. Now if you check, then it is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is sin a plus b. So x plus pi by 4 minus sin 2x equal to 0. Now if you remember sin CD formula, it is called sin CD formula or CD formula. Now sin C minus sin D formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. This is our formula and now I am going to use it. So it will be 2 cos C plus D, so x plus 2x 3x plus pi by 4 over 2 C plus D over 2. So that is done. Now sin C minus D, so minus x plus pi by 4 over 2 equal to 0. You can check 2 cos C plus D, so x plus 2x 3x plus pi by 4 over 2 sin C minus D, so x minus 2x, so minus x plus pi by 4 over 2. Now in next step I will write sine of minus theta minus sine theta. So let me write 2 cos 3x plus pi by 4 over 2 into sine x minus pi by 4 over 2 equal to 0. Because of right hand side is 0, so you can skip this 2 also. Now this equation will hold true if cos of this term equal to 0. This is one case. And second case is sine of x minus pi by 4 over 2 will be equal to 0. So from this we will be getting our answer. So let me start by sine x minus pi by 4 over 2 equal to 0. So that means x minus pi by 4 over 2 equal to n pi. Sine of n pi is equal to always 0, whether it is 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi or minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, minus 4 pi. So I am putting n pi. So x minus pi by 4 equal to 2n pi. So x is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 4. This is your one solution. Now come to this equation, first equation, cos 3x plus pi by 4 over 2 equal to 0. So how I will write? I will write 3x plus pi over 4 over 2, that will be equal to n pi plus pi by 2. How it is? Because of cos of theta is equal to cos of alpha, then theta will be equal to n pi plus alpha. Now only put that value 3x plus pi by 4 equal to 2n pi plus pi. Now 3x will be equal to 2n pi, pi minus pi by 4. So 3 pi by over 4, pi plus pi minus pi by 4. So that will be 3 pi over 4. Now divide this whole equation by 3. So x will be equal to 2n pi over 3 plus pi by 4. This is our second solution. Now you have to only club both the solutions. If you club, your answer will come out. This one is your final answer. So x will be equal to 2n pi over 3 plus pi over 4. If you find this video is useful to you, please give like impression to and do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.